We'll guide you through how to use Wix portfolio templates to showcase your work beautifully. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Create New Site. You'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. Select Portfolio and CV from the options presented. This will take you to a selection of templates specifically designed for portfolios. Browse through the various templates and choose one that best fits your style and the content you want to display. Click on Edit to start customizing the template. You'll be taken to the Wix editor, where you can modify every aspect of the template. Start by clicking on any section you'd like to edit, such as the header or gallery. You can change text, upload your images, or even adjust the layout to suit your needs. If there are sections you don't need, simply click on them and hit Delete to remove them. To add new elements, like text boxes or image galleries, use the toolbar on the left side. Simply drag and drop elements onto your page. Remember to click Preview at any point to see how your site will look live. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Publish in the top right corner to make your site go live. Wix also offers various SEO tools to help your portfolio get noticed, so make sure to explore those options under the SEO settings. And that's it. Your portfolio is ready to share with the world. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.